Hello my dear students, hope all of you are doing well. Today is the continuation of physics and mathematics chapter and today we are going to start with the 13th numerical. But up to 12th numerical, if you have any problem, you must let me know in the comment section. So let's start today's class. So here the numerical you can see on the screen, the 13th numerical, that is A is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. The vector is given, that is A vector, and also another vector B is given, that is B vector is equal to 3i cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap. 5k cap. Now you have to find out the angle between them. Therefore, we know the formula for the dot product, that is A dot B is equal to mod A mod B cos theta, right? Now you have to find out first A dot B, then mod A, then mod B, okay? One by one we will calculate. First A dot B is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap dot 3i cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap is equal to 6 plus 12 plus k dot k 120, right? So here therefore if you do the calculation you are getting as 38. Now we will calculate for mod A. So you just calculate it. Mod A is equal to under root a square plus b square plus c square. That means 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square is equal to under root 4 plus 9 plus 16. Okay. So here if you do the calculation you are getting as 25 plus 4 under root 29. Next we will do calculation for mod B. Same formula, that is a square plus b square plus c square, that is 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square under root 9 plus 16 plus 25 is equal to under root 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. Therefore, it gives us 50. Okay. Now we will put the values in this formula and we will do calculation for cos theta. So if you do it, then you are getting it as theta is equal to, first we will calculate for cos theta. Okay. Cos theta is equal to, you have A dot B over mod A mod B. Okay. Now A dot B we have got the value as 38. 38 over root over of mod A, the value we have calculated as root over of 29. 29 multiplied with root over of 50. Okay. This is your cos theta. Therefore, finally, theta is equal to cos inverse. We are getting as, if I do the multiplication, then the value would be 38 under root over of 1450. Okay. So this is the answer. This is the angle between those two vectors. Now we have the 14th numerical. Here you see that we have two vectors A and B. Okay. And we have to prove this, that A dot A cross B is equal to 0. Now here we consider two vectors A and B. We don't know the angle between them. We are considering as your theta. Okay. So A cross B, this is a vector A, this is the vector B. If I consider A cross B is equal to P, then that means P is perpendicular to A and also P is perpendicular to B. Okay, that means here we can write that P is perpendicular to A. Now we have to prove A dot A cross B, right? A dot A cross B means A dot A cross B means is equal to A dot P. Okay, A dot P, because A cross B is equal to, we have considered as P. And also as we have told that since the cross product, due to the cross product, the vector we are getting P will be always perpendicular to both A and B. That's why we can write A dot P is equal to mod A mod P cos 90 degree. Perpendicular means what? Theta is equal to 90 degree. That's why we have written as cos 90. Now cos 90 means 0. So therefore A dot P will be 0. Means A dot A cross B is equal to 0. And that is actually asked in the question to prove. Okay, so this is the way to prove. So here is your 15th numerical. Here you see two vectors are given A and B and we have to find out the cross product. So here we will first write two vectors. A is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Okay. And B is equal to 4i cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap. We have to find out A cross B. Right? So how we will do it? First, here A cross B means here we will write the components of A and B in the matrix form. Okay, so first I will write the unit vectors like I, J and K, and then I will write the components of I, J, K for A vector first. That is 2, 3, 4. Then for B, that is 4, 3 and 2. Right? After that, here you see that I here lies, means I is found in the first column, first row. Okay, so therefore a 2 by 2 matrix is left. So that I will write here. That is I, and that 2 by 2 matrix, that is 3, 4, 3, 2. Plus, here you can write minus, that would be better, minus j cap. Okay, for j cap, j lies, you see, on the second column and also it is found in the first row. Therefore, it is left also a 2 by 2 matrix. So you write here 2, 4, 4, 2. 2, 4, 4, 2. Similarly, plus k cap. For k cap, you see the 2 by 2 matrix which is left, that is 2, 3, 4, 3. Right? Now you find the value, that is I Here 6 minus 12, right? Minus j cap. Here you have 4. Then 16 minus 16 plus k cap. Here you have 6 minus 12. Clear? Now you do the calculation, that is I cap. It is minus 6 minus j cap. Here you have minus 12 plus k cap minus 6. So therefore finally we are getting at minus of I cap 6 plus 12 j cap minus 6 k cap. Okay, so this is the expression of this cross product. So students, here you have the 16 numerical. First read aloud. A, B, C are mutually perpendicular, so that C cross A cross B is equal to 0. So in this case, first you draw the figure. This is a vector. Suppose you have, this is your vector A and this is your vector B. And the C is also mutually perpendicular. That means C is in the perpendicular direction, so along Z direction. The drawing using this would be better. In this direction, right? Either in positive Z direction or in negative Z direction. Okay, suppose we are considering the vector C is along positive Z direction. Now first we will calculate, okay, first we have to prove C cross A cross B is equal to 0. So we will first calculate A cross B, right? So A cross B is equal to, we are considering as, suppose a vector mod of P and the unit vector here we are getting as k cap. Okay, this is giving you as total P vector. This P vector we are getting by the cross product of A and B. Obviously A and B are here and P is perpendicular to them. Therefore, if C is in positive Z direction, then what would be the angle between them? If C is equal to mod of C positive k cap, then if you do A cross B and here you have C cross, okay, then mod of C k cap cross A cross B means you have mod of P k cap. So therefore the angle between them k cap cross k cap always 0. Here is one way. And if C is in negative Z direction, that means if we consider C vector as mod of C minus k cap, okay, minus k cap, then also if I do the cross product, that is C cross A cross B, you just put the expression of them. Don't have to think too much. Okay, C, now you just put mod of C minus k cap, okay, cross A cross B means mod of P k cap, okay. In that case also the angle between them is getting 180 degree. Here theta is 180 degree, okay, and here theta was 0 degree. Clear? So therefore, if theta is 180 degree, then also the value would be 0 if you do the cross product. Next is the converse true. Obviously, the converse is not true. Converse is not true. Now, why? Because suppose you have it was C cross A cross B is equal to 0. Then to get it, it is not required that they have to be perpendicular to each other. Means if I say that A is parallel to B, okay, in that case, if A vector and B vector are parallel to each other, then what I can write? That theta between them is 0. Then easily C cross B would be 0. C cross A cross B would be 0. Okay. So it is not mandatory to have A, B, C perpendicular to each other to get 0. If any of the two vectors are parallel to each other, then also C cross A cross B would be 0. Okay. So this is the answer. Thus we have proved it.